So the cold snap is over. All of the snow is going to start melting. And if you have a sump pump, here are 3 things you can do to make sure that it's going to work when you need it. 1, pour some water into the pit to actuate the discharge and get it to go. The other thing is, if you could take the cover off if you have one and reach in to test the float to make sure that it's not stuck. Sometimes that can get jammed up. And last but not least, the discharge line. It should be going outside. Make sure that it's clear of any snow and not frozen.